Today we're taking a deep dive, literally, into one of the most incredible spots on the planet. Imagine a place so teeming with life, so vibrant and clear that it feels like you've jumped straight into an aquarium. We're talking about the legendary Molokini Crater in Hawaii. So what exactly is Molokini? Picture this. Thousands and thousands of years ago, a massive volcano erupted from the ocean floor. But instead of forming a typical cone-shaped island, only part of its rim breached the surface, creating this perfect, crescent moon-shaped islet. It's a partially submerged volcanic crater, sitting just a few miles off the coast of Maui. And trust me, what's inside that crescent is pure magic. Why is Molokini considered one of the top dive and snorkel sites in the world? 3 main reasons: clarity, conservation, and creatures. First, let's talk about clarity. The water here is ridiculously clear. On a good day, you can have visibility of up to 150 feet. That's like seeing from one end of a football field to the other. But underwater, this happens because the crater is located offshore, away from coastal runoff that can make water murky. Plus, its rocky volcanic structure means there's no soil or sand to get kicked up and cloud your view. It's just pure, crystal-clear Pacific Ocean. This incredible clarity makes it the perfect stage for the main event, the marine life. And this brings us to conservation. Molokini is a state marine life and bird conservation district. This means it's a protected area. No fishing, no anchoring in ways that damage the reef, and strict rules to make sure the ecosystem stays healthy and pristine. This protection has allowed the coral reefs and fish populations to absolutely flourish, making it a safe haven for marine animals. When you dip your head under the water, it's like a bustling city of fish. You're immediately surrounded by schools of yellow tang looking like bright yellow confetti floating all around you. You'll see the Moorish idol with its dramatic black, white, and yellow stripes. You might spot the raccoon butterfly fish with a little black mask over its eyes, just like its namesake. And you absolutely can't miss Hawaii's state fish, the Humuhumunukunukuāpuaʻa. Yeah, it's a mouthful. But it's a beautiful triggerfish that's super common here. There are over 250 different species of fish living in Molokini, and many of them are endemic, which means you can only find them in Hawaii. It's a unique living laboratory of evolution. You'll see parrotfish chomping on algae, keeping the coral healthy. You'll see trumpetfish trying to camouflage themselves, and maybe even a shy octopus hiding among the rocks. But it's not just about the smaller fish. Because Molokini is a protected zone, it attracts larger visitors too. It's not uncommon to see graceful manta rays gliding through the water, their massive wingspans making them look like they're flying. You might spot a white-tip reef shark resting on the sandy bottom. Don't worry, they're very chill and more scared of you than you are of them. During whale season, from December to April, you can even hear the haunting songs of humpback whales echoing through the water while you snorkel. It's an experience that will give you goosebumps. So how do you actually experience this place? You can't just swim there from Maui. You have to book a tour with a licensed boat company. Most tours leave early in the morning from Mailea Harbor or Kihei Boat Ramp. Getting there early is key, because the water is usually calmest in the morning. Before the trade winds pick up, the boat ride itself is part of the adventure. You're out on the open ocean, with incredible views of Maui's coastline and the West Maui Mountains. The crew will usually give you a briefing on safety, the history of the crater, and the types of fish you're likely to see. They'll provide all the gear you need: snorkel, mask, and fins. Pro tip, make sure your mask fits snugly. A leaky mask is no fun. Once you arrive at the crater, the boat will moor at a designated spot, and then it's time to jump in. For first-timers, it can be a little intimidating. But trust me, the moment you put your face in the water and see that underwater world, any fear just melts away. Just float, breathe, and take it all in. You don't even have to be a strong swimmer. You can use a flotation device and just gently paddle around. For certified scuba divers, Molokini offers a whole other level of exploration. The back wall of the crater is a world-famous drift dive. It's a sheer cliff that drops down over 300 feet into the deep blue. As you drift along the wall with the current, you'll see larger marine life like sharks, jacks, and sometimes even dolphins. It's a more advanced dive, but it's an unforgettable one. Whether you're snorkeling inside the calm crescent or diving the dramatic back wall, remember the golden rule of Molokini. Look, but don't touch. The coral is a living animal, and touching it can damage or even kill it. The same goes for the marine life. Observe them in their natural habitat and give them their space. We are visitors in their home, so it's our responsibility to be respectful guests. By visiting Molokini with a responsible tour operator, you're actually contributing to its conservation. A portion of the fees often goes back into protecting this incredible natural wonder for future generations. It's ecotourism at its best. So if you're ever in Maui, put a trip to Molokini Crater at the very top of your list. It's more than just a place to swim. It's an opportunity to connect with nature in a profound way, to witness a thriving ecosystem that's a testament to the power of conservation. It's a reminder of how beautiful our planet is when we take care of it. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope this inspired you to add Molokini to your travel bucket list. If you've been there, drop a comment below and tell me what your favorite sighting was. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. See you in the next one.